It's up to me.
It's none of your business.
It's a piece of cake.
I really appreciate what you've done for me.
I'm trying my best to improve every single day.
Please let me know if you need any help.
That sounds like a great idea to me.
I'll do whatever it takes to achieve my goals.
I didn't expect things to turn out this way.
Sometimes silence speaks louder than words.
I truly believe that everything happens for a reason.
I don't need a perfect life. I just need peace of mind.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do now. I'm sorry, but I can't make it today.